Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the government is moving quickly and responsibly to deliver hurricane relief to thousands of families affected by Hurricane Melissa, as preparations near completion for the rollout of a major national restoration program. According to the Prime Minister, he has just concluded a detailed coordination meeting with the Ministry of Labour and Social Security, Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, and the Cabinet Office to finalize the framework for distributing relief and reconstruction grants to households whose homes were damaged.
So we have just completed a marathon meeting with the Ministry of Labour and Social Security, ODPEM, and the OPM Cabinet Office to determine the framework and modalities by which the government will conduct the distribution and disbursement of relief, reconstruction, restoration grants to persons who suffered damage to their dwellings. I know many Jamaicans, particularly in the most devastated areas, are looking forward to these conditional cash transfers to assist them in recovery. And I want to emphasize that these grants will not be able to totally restore. For some, yes, but for others, it will be a partial assistance. And we encourage persons to continue to use their own means as much as they can. And we will definitely come in and support. Our budget and our fiscal situation would have allowed us to make an allocation of 10 billion Jamaican dollars. This is a significant allocation. The ODPEM has advised us that there would be approximately 90,000 households that would have suffered some form of damage, and the minister has advised me that so far approximately 65,000 assessments have been done. The meeting that we just concluded determined the various operational procedures that will guide how the program works. The public should know that it is quite a complicated undertaking to ensure that all the different nuances and the different circumstances are captured so that we are in keeping with the laws that govern us even in an emergency, that we can ensure for the public that there is strong accountability, but at the same time that there is respect for the human suffering that is taking place, so that there is urgency. I would also want to use this opportunity to say to those persons who will benefit from the grant that they should use the grant for the purpose for which it is awarded, and that is to restore their dwellings. Yes, I know that there are many other needs that would be required for the rehabilitation of your household, but the primary purpose for the grant is to restore your dwelling. So in as much as possible, we urge you to use the grants when they are issued for this cause. Now, Minister Charles will launch the program next week, about the 15th. That's the target time. And we expect to start making payments around the last week in January. We expect that these payments will take the form of using digital modalities or going through persons' bank accounts or debit cards, whatever is convenient. So we will be using multiple channels and modalities to ensure convenience for the persons who will get the grants.
Read more at JamaicaLiveNews.com.
Jamaica Live, your trusted news source, both locally and internationally. Please like, share, comment, and contribute to the conversation. Support independent media. Your donations are not just appreciated, they are essential to keeping Jamaica Live alive and thriving. Join us in making a difference. Donate today. Scan the QR code on our website or donate via PayPal to JamaicaLive TVNews@gmail.com.